Or a couple days now, she'll be like eating a family dinner and trying to explain this to her grandkids.
So anyways, there was this duck.
Like, man, grandma's really losing it.
Kids, now is when we're gonna find grandma home. Right, grandma. A huge duck. Did you guys have a tea party afterward? I'm not crazy! I'm not! I know what's up! I secretly visit her in the home, just outside her window. Like once a week. Once a week. It's there! Just to reiterate that she's crazy. She was doing better for the first 2 weeks, and then all of a sudden, ducks again. Off-road.
On-road.
On-roading. Y'all country boys don't know nothing about this on-roading. Hey, brother, you off-roading, brother?
Huh?
You off-roading, brother?
No.
Us too, brother.
There's a lot of sheriffs comes around here.
All right, brother.
All right.
Don't get stuck. I got a winch if you need one. All right, brother. Hey, brother, are you off-roading too? No. Hey, brother, are you off-roading? Us too, brother. That's for funny. Hey, brother, you off-roading? Us too, brother. I think you ran out of blinker fluid on the right side.
No.
Yeah.
What is that?
Whenever you were switching lanes back there, I think the right side's out. Here you go. Yeah.
What do I do with this?
Well, you just gotta refill the blinker fluid on the right.
The breaker fluid?
Yeah, the blinker fluid on the right side.
I didn't know that had a blinker fluid.
No, yeah, that's the right side is out. So just wanted to help you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. He goes, thank you. What a nice guy you are. This is him at my sister's birthday party. They like to dress him up. Time goes by so fast, dude. This is him. I took him to my grandparents' house. This is him last night, drawing on the board. I'm making like a video. The pictures I'm showing you are like just all different kids.
Yeah, I noticed that. I was like, I didn't want to say anything though. I was like, oh my god. One of them was black. I didn't want to say anything, so.
That's where Jake's like, yeah.
My grandparents like to dress him up here. Yeah.
And then you said he was 3, and then the one with the whiteboard.
He's like 7.
Yeah, he's like 7. I'm like, this kid's genius, man.
What's that?
That's a good prop. Prop here.
Oh, no, here it is. Oh, it changed color. I just poke your other eye. What happened?
My retina came detached.
How?
Just over time.
Looking too hard? That's what happens when you mean mug too hard, huh? I could definitely see myself in this car. Especially like here. And then, right, the back panel's really reflective. Not so much in this windshield. Oh, that's the most clear. I'd definitely never buy this kind of car. I wouldn't be caught dead driving this kind of car.
I get
funny.
It. I get it.
Did you just not get it?
Because you can't drive if you're dead.
No. I wouldn't be caught dead driving this car. No, that wasn't what I was saying. I was just saying I wouldn't drive it.
I wouldn't be caught drunk driving this car.
Oh, it didn't hurt. Most people it would hurt. Oh, are they pooping? Zoom in on him pooping. Try to get a better angle.
I was just trying to smell his butt.
If I want to come down, I just have to burp, right?
You have what we like to call a big head.
I do.
Yeah, you got a real big head, dude. Is that too tight?
It's pretty tight.
Yeah.
My head's too big for like basically everything.
We don't have to get this one out very often. You know what I mean? You're our first gigantic head post-quarantine.
Hey, come here. Look, I found some gum right under here. Shut up. Right here, I found some gum. Take it and eat it, okay? You feel it? Yeah. Now eat it, okay?
Why?
Because it's gum. It's everlasting. You actually found some. I wasn't even touching any. I was just joking, but he actually pulls them off. Show the camera. By now, all the germs are gone. It's fine. Because look how old it is. No, don't eat it. Why would he wear that shirt when you're wearing this shirt? Go get a close up longer on him, dude. Yeah, of all the shirts, you seriously gonna wear that same one? Brother, mother always loved you more. You went to that same garage sale? You went to that same attic at my mom's house?
Yeah, I pulled this off of a dead guy in the street.
You found that same dead guy in the street who got in a crash on his motorcycle? That was so loud. There was like an announcer saying like, he has missed the shot. Right? Classes get really tough during finals week. They don't want people jumping off. Lots of people were. They had to put this cage up so that people don't. Do you look down this road right here? That's where I begged for money on the corner once. Not because I couldn't work, but because I didn't want to. Nostalgic. Ugh, give me a milk. Chocolate milk. No ice.
Tall boys.
Boy, hey, too long night. Wild hogs. You're going harder than that, huh? Another. Wait, that was all half and half? Why did it just taste like really good milk? See a puppy? Are you in that chair?
No, I'm
Why? So you can sit in the chair?
They said it wasn't a good idea.
Well, what do you mean? Just try it. If it's not, then don't.
No, I don't want him to be comfortable.
He's like, I strongly suggest you don't try that. I strongly suggest you don't try that.
The bus won't like that.
Bus won't like that. Don't sit in the chair, all right? Let's just say it's in your best
Swimming with
interest.
the fishes.
License is renewed.
Is it?
I can use my license now.
Yes, now we can ride. I feel like it's, what's that one movie called? No. No. What is it? No, like Mad Hogs or something.
Mad Max?
No, Mad Max is what I was talking about. Wild Hogs is what. Oh, he goes, what's that one movie? Groundhog's Day, you know about the motorcycles? No, it's Wild Hogs.